In this video, I'll guide you through creating an invoice and receiving payments in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so you can bill customers professionally while keeping financial records accurate. Start by clicking the New button and selecting Invoice, then choose or add the customer and carefully review email, address, invoice date, payment terms, and due date so nothing is missed. Add your products or services from the catalog, confirm quantities, rates, discounts, and tax settings because these values directly affect totals and later reports. Use short descriptions or memos to clarify what the charge covers and avoid future disputes. In the Manage section, you can enable online payments through QuickBooks Payments if you prefer built-in processing, while also reviewing possible fees and deposit timelines, or simply provide manual payment instructions if you collect externally. Always preview the invoice, verify numbers, and send only after final checks to reduce corrections later. Subscribe for simple tech tutorials and honest software walkthroughs every week.